Good afternoon and happy Tuesday. Sorry about my messy hair. I just got out of the shower and I'm sorry if I didn't film the rest of the day. We were pretty much busy because I just got off with a meeting with my behavior consultant. Maybe that went well, and we're planning on going to the Danville pool next week since everything is slowly going back to normal for the time being. And I was going to show you another update on the garden, and looks like there's some big progress. So Kaelin actually made this in the afternoon. So another thing too is Kaelin actually helped out with the plants, which I appreciate that. And over here, we have some herbs and some flowers looking nice and pretty. Some peppers are doing nicely, and also some broccoli. Some dill is doing well, which I actually watered the rest of it. And also I just transplanted this plant, which I couldn't remember what this is, and sorry for my some cucumbers are growing nicely. Oh wait, these are zucchini. These are some cucumbers. Over here used to be a pile of like rose bushes. So sorry if it's dark, but Kaelin and I are just currently spending the weekend with my dad, and it is currently hot in here and does not have any AC, and we have the fan going, and again today was currently productive, and right now I'm just getting caught up on the temp tracker and just watching a little bit of the temp tracker and then heading to bed because I work in the morning, and might be doing something fun tomorrow, so checking that video. Later, gators.